Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Saleh Afreen, Assistant Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, Narayana Medical College, Nellore. Today I am here to talk about World TB Day. Every year 24th March is celebrated as World TB Day to raise public awareness about devastating health, social and economic consequences of TB and also to take steps and make efforts to end TB globally. 24th March is celebrated as World TB Day because on this day, Robert Koch had discovered Mycobacterium tuberculosis, which opened the way for diagnosis and cure of tuberculosis. The theme for this World TB Day 2021 is "The Clock is Ticking," which convey a sense that the world is running out of time to act on the commitment to end TB globally. Tuberculosis is world deadliest disease. Every day 4,000 people are losing their lives and 28,000 people are falling ill because of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. It affects all the ages. Sharp rise is seen from childhood to the adolescent. Malnutrition acts as one of the important predisposing factors. Social factors such as poor housing, overcrowding, poor ventilation, population explosion, lack of literacy and lack of awareness, etc. Make an important predisposing factor for occurrence and spread of disease. Tuberculosis is transmitted by droplet nuclei, which can be spread during talking, coughing, sneezing. Tuberculosis is not transmitted by formites such as using the linens, clothes, toilet seats, dishes, etc. Based on the site of infection, tuberculosis may be pulmonary, which affect the lungs, or extrapulmonary, which affect the abdomen, lymph nodes, skin, bones, joints, genitourinary tract, etc. The most common symptoms of tuberculosis are evening rise of temperature and cough for more than 3 weeks, breathlessness, fatigue, loss of appetite, loss of weight. Tuberculosis can be diagnosed by sputum microscopy, chest X-ray, CBNAT, and culture can also be done, but it is costly and time taking. So, CBNAT is preferred. The patients who are sputum positive are registered under TCP program and free anti-TB drugs are given under supervision under DOT services. Daily dose regimen is followed. The treatment of TB is given under 2 phases. First is intensified phase, second is continuous phase. For new cases, treatment is given for 6 months and for all previously treated cases, treatment is given for 8 months. There are 2 lines of drugs for the treatment of tuberculosis. When the patient is resistant to first line of drugs, second line of drugs can be given and there are new drugs upcoming for the treatment of tuberculosis. As we all know, prevention is better than cure. Tuberculosis can be prevented by giving BCG vaccine to all the newborn. 0.05 ml is given intradermally in the left deltoid region. It can be given up to 6 weeks. Other personal preventive measures are taking proper diet, following cough etiquette during coughing or sneezing, cover the mouth with hand, kerchief or with the arm. The most important preventive measure is disposal of sputum. Sputum should be collected in a separate container containing mud and should be disinfected and buried deeply, or the container should be washed with the boiling water. The sputum or saliva should not be spit on the public areas, roads or walls. It acts as a source of infection. Chemoprophylaxis can also be given to the individuals who are in contact with the TB positive patient and also to the newborn who are born to TB positive mother. On 30 December 2019, RNTCP program was changed to National Tuberculosis Elimination Program. Government of India has taken a bold step to end tuberculosis from our country by 2025 by providing supplementary nutrition to all the TB patients through Nikshay Poshan Yojana. Nikshay IT-based surveillance system was also been established on May 2012 for the surveillance and detection of all the TB cases. According to WHO, the most effective way for ending tuberculosis is to cure through DOT services. Due to chronic nature of the disease and the survival of the bacilli inside the human body for long period of time, despite of availability of all the diagnostic and therapeutic tools, tuberculosis still remain a important public health problem. Chemoprophylaxis is given to the individuals who are in contact with the TB patients and also to the newborn who are born to TB positive mothers. On 30 December 2019, the RNTCP program was changed to National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, and the Government of India has taken a bold step to end tuberculosis from our country by 2025 by providing supplementary nutrition to all the registered TB positive patients through Nikshay Poshan Yojana. Nikshay IT-based surveillance system was established in 2012 for surveillance and case detection of all the TB cases. According to WHO, the most effective way of ending tuberculosis is cure through DOT services. Due to chronic nature of the disease and the survival of the bacilli inside the human body for long period of time, despite of availability of case detection, diagnostic and therapeutic tools, tuberculosis still remain an important public health problem. WHO and Government of India are taking sustained efforts to end TB globally and make the world free from tuberculosis. Thank you. Have a nice day.